Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how you can easily get rid or find the reason of your laptop or computer's hang. Yes, if your laptop or computer hang again and again, your mouse stuck or your laptop or computer screen flickers, then what you can do and what the reason behind that. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel. I'm Gogi from Helper Gogi, and today let you know that how you can easily solve the problem of your laptop or computer of hanging. Now, what the hang? If you are doing any kind of work and your computer get or laptop gets stuck, then this is called hang. But if you open your computer or laptop and it you found that it's hanged already, then you may have to check out about the hard disk or your processor, or you have to upgrade to SSD. That's very easy and very good for you. Now what we have to do, if your laptop or computer hanging again, you have to go to the task manager when you performing a work on which kind of works your laptop or computer get hanged. Then you have to go to task manager by just clicking on start and go to task manager, and after that you have to click on memory, your options, and check out over there that if your RAM is fully used or almost fully used. In my scenario, as you can check out, my RAM is 8 GB and I am using almost about 7 something. So that's the 6 and 7 GB something. Then this is the main reason of my laptop or computer of hanging. Then what we have to do, if you are using a lot of RAM of your laptop or computer, then you have to upgrade the RAM. You have to install more RAMs into your laptop or computer. Then what we can do, you have to open your laptop or computer and check out over there that if there is any slot is available. You can check out the task manager too. There is option given over there that how much slots are there and how much is used over there. So you have to buy same model, same serial numbers, almost about same model number and same company's RAM on same space. If you using 8 GB RAM in your system, then you have to purchase another 8 GB RAM, and after that you have to install them. Keep in mind that you don't buy 8 and 4 and something like this. Just if you have a 4 GB RAM stick already available, buy 4 one, and if you have a 8 one, then just buy 8 GB RAM over there and install that, and after that your problem 99% will be resolved. Yes, your laptop or computer will not hang a lot. So hope you understood that how you can easily upgrade your RAM or get rid of screen blank or hanging of your laptop or computer or flicking of your laptop or computer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.